This device is designed to be used for vacuuming dry dust in high, hard-to-reach areas. Please make sure that you always use the correct filter and a dust bag with your unit. The front wheels can be locked for safety. The container can be removed from the frame. The skyVac has 2 motors. It can be used either with 1 or 2 motors with their own separate switches. The hose cuff is connected to the vacuum port in front of the skyVac container. In order to remove the hose, slide the red lock to the left and pull. Fasten the pole cuff to the carbon fibre pole. The next poles are connected so that the skyVac logos are always facing upwards. Fasten a suitable neck and attach the required tool. The telescopic pole can be extended to the precise length that you require. The Elite pole requires a special adapter between the neck and the pole. Ensure that the tool is securely fastened. The flexible brushes can be used in any direction due to the special moving joint. The curved brushes are perfect for vacuuming pipes and ducts. The smaller tools and brushes provide a high degree of adaptability. The inspection camera package includes a camera and a monitor with a wireless transmission distance of 70 meters. Fasten the monitor and the camera on the pole. Clean the joints of the poles with a microfiber cloth. These poles conduct electricity. These poles should not be used in EX environments. If you have any questions about using skyVac products, contact your dealer.